How are you gonna get your joist hangers in?
We're not doing that after we take the walls out?
I wasn't. I was gonna do it all while it's held up. That way it stays. But just at least, you know, what we got on this side. Over here was a little bit better because we gave ourselves like a foot. And this, we came a little closer on the bottom down here. But yeah, if we give ourselves some room to work with, we'll probably be happy with that.
Okay, I was just thinking we were putting them on at the end.
Yeah, gotcha.
As far as post goes,
Both, probably?
I mean, like, you want to take this one out and like leave the corner to hold up the structure. Just take them both out at once.
Yeah, that way we can get our new band board kind of in there. Yeah. Should I wait a second, or you need my help for you to get that out?
You can come up.
Okay.
I would just stand on the rail and I'd jump over it. I mean, you can stand on it a little bit. Yeah. This spindle and whatever's holding it on the end there.
Oh, dude, that's what that note was on the front door, too. I saw a, oh, that's good. That means we can go in here and go to the bathroom and get water. But you better watch out for those deaf cats, dude. And I ain't playing around.
Are they vicious?
No, they're deaf. You saw the note. I'll tell you what, I woke up yesterday, I could barely move my neck, and this morning I feel like my back's all fucked.
I'm starting to think Leanne has fucking rabies or something, dude. I fucking picked her up from work yesterday morning. Day before yesterday, actually. And because she didn't like my attitude. She thought I had a bad attitude. Because she made me sit there and wait for her for 40 fucking minutes. She just like starts shoving the car in park while we're driving down the road. It's like into park, then down into first, then into park, then down into first, then up into park, and then down into first.
Your car?
Yeah, CRV. Yeah, that happened.
Fuck. So is the car okay?
It runs.
It runs? That's where the car is at? Here, hammer.
Yeah, it's got a clicker. It's got a, I think the CV joint.
No, because the ladder. All right. But then now we're just going to have a double problem over there, right?
Oh, and now now that we're past the ladder.
What if we just go down?
Okay. Almost there.
All right, which one of us is running down the ladder? Okay. Man, it'd be so much quicker to rebuild all these.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Hey, grab that other hammer while you're down there too, and that black bar, please.
We don't make those decisions.
No, we don't. How you doing, Moose? Moose!
Woo!
Moose, how you doing? Good.
Woo!
Yeah. Dude, that was totally visceral too. I didn't even plan that. It just happened.
That was a good sound effect.
It just happened. Yikes. I think I'm actually gonna move in here again.
We're living neighbors.
I know.
Oh God, got the van.
I don't want to be that barbaric. Yeah, give me that thing. Oh yeah, you put your side down. Just
And once I let go,
Just let her go, you're good. Gah. Might be a little bit of a broken pinky, but we don't know yet.
broken pinky?
Maybe, yeah, because this thing, it got pinched in here when it all bent. It doesn't, I can't tell because it just went completely numb, so it's either fine or broke.
I got you.
You got it? Oh, hold on. All right, you ready? It's going. No, I don't think we're broke. It's working good. Oh, it got both of them. It's working good, dude. Although that did feel remarkably like the little broken carrot sensation.
All hemmed up in this fucking cord.
Here.
God damn it! Hold on me!
Oh, you're still in it. Still in it.
No, I don't care. It's going. Fuck me, Pierce.
I could not help you to save my life. God, my pinky's hurt. Oh, here's our help.